Hi, my name is Wandia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I love to geek out on all things digital. Today, I want to talk about how to hide your Facebook Messenger to some but not all. And it's actually very simple. All you do is you go into your chat feature on Facebook. It's going to be on the bottom right-hand corner of your Facebook profile. So this is my Facebook profile right here. And I just go to the bottom right. Click on this little star here. It's the second one from the bottom, and say advanced settings. Now I could say all your friends see you except, and that's the one that I want to click. The rest says only some of your friends see you. So if you specifically want to be available to specific people, you can specify that there, or just make sure that no one ever sees you. You can also do that. But for this one, we're going to talk about how to make your Facebook Messenger so that all your friends can see you except maybe a specific person. So say I did not want, I'm going to use a good friend of mine because she won't get offended. I'll say I don't want Jen to see me when she's online. And now I click save. And I'm all set. All my friends can see me. I can see who's online, but they cannot see if I am on. But Jen will not be able to see when I am online. So it's a really simple procedure. I hope that tip was helpful. If you need additional information, feel free to reach me at www.wandia.info.